guys, today we are going to be doing class first chapter 5. How many? What how many? This is a worksheet. I say that you watch part 1, part 2. The link is in the description. Now let's get started. In this worksheet, Golu and Anu are adding numbers in different ways. We can see Golu using a dot method, such as I am going to give you the sum 3 plus 6. In this, he did it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That. This is 3, this is 6. Total, it's 9. Now, let's see Anu's. No. Let's see Anu's. How did she did? Let's see. We see that she used this method. In this, I'm going to give you the exact same sum. 3 plus 6. In this, she wrote lines. 1, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there is a difference between them, but it gives the exact same answer. I'm going to use the stick method because it's easier for you and me. Now, let us do. You don't do anything. Now add it in our way. I'm going to use the stick method which Anu used. In this we have to do 4 plus 3. Now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks and then 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Meaning our answer came as 7. Now that is 3 plus 0. Anything plus 0 is the same number. So this is simple. It's just 3. Now we have to do it of 5 plus 2. Now we are going to make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 more lines. 1, 2. There. Now we are going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that's our answer. 7. The next one is 7 plus 1. Now I have to make 7 sticks. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. Now we have to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meaning our answer is 8. Next one is 3 plus 2. And wait, remember Golu and Anu doing it above? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. It's 5. Now the next one is a little higher. Now we have to make 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our answer, 10. And again here came another 0, 1. Anything plus 0 is the same number. Now we are going to write 7. Now this is easy. 1 plus 1. You have always said it. 1, 1. 1, 2. Done! Why did I even do that? Now the next one is 5. And wow, we are in finance. plus 1. Then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks and then 1 line, meaning that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 sticks. That's our answer. Now there's 3 plus 3. 3 sticks plus 3 sticks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6, meaning that's our answer. 6. The next one is a little tricky. 8. You have to make 8 sticks. That's a lot of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is 10. And then lastly, we have to make 5 sticks and 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now that's our answer, 8. Now let's go down into number pairs. Now Anu takes this bracelet. I don't know what it is, but it's some sort of bracelet or necklace. Now she says, I am putting wait, I'm putting a clip on 3. 3 and 5 make 8. Why does she says the actions what she does? Now here's the pairs of 8. 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, and 2 plus 6, and lastly 1 plus 7. And you realize something? This is its complete inverted. And I think they missed one. 4 plus 4. Yeah, that's right. Because if you do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, then that became 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. It still makes 8. Why did you didn't include it? And there's another thing. We only had to write 4 numbers. And the rest of the 3 could automatically happen. How? 7 plus 1, see, 7 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 7. How? Because you make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our answer, 8. And then 1 plus 7 is 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. They both have the same answer and numbers, just switched. Now let's go down to let us find. You don't find, never find anything. Well, I find patterns. Now, as we can see, we got a little hint because 8 plus 1 is the same of 1 plus 8. Now, we are going to do this. See, the answer is the same, just we clip it in different positions. 8 plus 1 clips here, and then 1 plus 8 clips here. Get it? This is a group, and then this is a group. Or this is a group, and this is a group. I think that's not a group, it's just a single bead. Meaning we already got a boost as this as the 8. Now we have to find other clipping portions. How about this? No, this. Yes, these both have the same, like that. In this is one group, and there's seven, meaning it will be like this, and then two will remain, meaning we are going to write two. Now the next one we are going to pair of three, I mean six. Then we are going to take this chunk and then these. That's left with us, meaning that there's three beads. So three. We're going to write that three. Now the next one is 5 plus dash like this. Now as you can see in this there's 5. Now we're going to clip 5 and then we're going to clip it 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here we have to clip. Now 4 is left, meaning we are going to write here 4. Now here becomes a little simple. We have to just reverse it. 7 plus 2 becomes 2 plus 7. 6 plus 3 becomes 3 plus 6. And then lastly, 5 plus 4 equals becomes into 4 plus 5. Simple! We did it very, very fast by using this. Now we are going to go in the second one. Now in this there is number pairs of 5. Now we have to do a little portion clipping. Now we are going to do 4, which is this much. No, this much, and then there's one left. So that. And then if we clip 3, which is here, then we get 2 left. That's our answer. Now here becomes a little simple. So why is there 4? It should be 1. And why is there 3? It should be 2. Now it becomes a little simple. 4 plus 1 becomes 1 plus 4, and 2 and 3 plus 2 becomes 2 plus 3. Now we have to make pairs of 7. In this we are going to clip 6, this, and then there's 1 left. 1. Now the next one is 5. 5, okay. In this we can see that we have to clip 5, which is here, and then we get 2 left, or 2 much left, meaning we have to write 2. And then we have 4. We have to clip 4, this much. And 3 is left here, meaning that's our answer 3. Now here becomes a little simple. We are going to switch positions. Now 4 plus 3 becomes 3 plus 4. 5 plus 2 becomes 2 plus 5. And then lastly, 1 plus 1. 6 plus 1 becomes 1 plus 6. Wow, that's a song. Now we have to go down. Right? We're not going ahead. Now we have to add and match. We have to add and match. Now, as you can see, here's some sums. Here's some sums. And we have to match them with the correct answer. Now we will firstly start with this. 6 plus 2. Now if we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 more, 1, 2, meaning that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, meaning that's our answer. Now we have to point it at 8, and you may think I don't draw good arrows, and well, I have an arrow tool, and it's that. That's our answer. Now the next one is 5 plus 5. That's simple. You have to write 5. You have to make 5 sticks and again 5 sticks. Meaning this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to match it with 10, which is this. Now the next one is 4 plus 3. We're going to make 4 sticks and then again 3 sticks. Now we have to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. That's our answer. Where's my shape tool? Now we are going to match it with 7. There. Now the next one is 2 plus 7. Now we are going to make 2 sticks and then 7 sticks. That's going to take a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. That's our answer. Now we are going to point it to 9. 9's the liar, or every number is the liar. Now I would do this 1 plus 3 just to show you, but the answer is written. So I won't do it. Now let's do 5 plus 2. If we write 5 sticks and then 2, meaning that became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to match it with 7. There is 7. Next one is 4 plus 0. It's already written, so we'll go to the next one. 3 plus 5. Wait, is it the exact same numbers? Can use that answer 7 and only 3 has increased by 1. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Plus 8. Or no, say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to make 3 6. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. That's our answer. I knew it was the answer. Well, I already know it a lot before you. Now we are going to write 3 plus 7. Now we're going to make 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3, and then 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we are going to cut all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to match it with 10. And then we are going to match it with the last option. I'll teach you it. 4 sticks and then plus 5 sticks. And then cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now we're going to match it with 9. There. Now here the video ends. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like to this video for more worksheet solutions like this. If I'm going to get 300 views on this video, I'm going to make part 4. So yeah, this is me going bye. Bye.